Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of you. This is project of Asia Builders and this one is located in D12 Islamabad. House number is 689. So today we will give you a quick overview of progress up to date. So we will go inside and also we will check which material are being used here. This one, these are floor tiles size. If we will check from here, its size is 80 by 80 and 800 mm by 800 mm, and these are granite master tiles. These are easily available in market and they are of good quality. So we will use these tiles on floor. Also we will check washroom tiles, and these are the front tile. It's a wood design. Here they have started tile work for carports. Just today morning they have started it. These are washroom tile. Design in each washroom is different. So we will see this design, then we will check another washroom. This material is also master tile. We can check it from here. These are tile we have used in washrooms. These are also master granite tile and it is 30 by 90. This is design of another washroom. These are also master tile but of different design. And these guys are doing wood work for doors. Most of the wood is imported from Dubai. There is noise here, so we will go to first floor. Here we are on first floor, so there is not much noise here. So you can see flooring is done and it is ready for tile installation. Also we can check here washroom tiles. Design is simple but it is good design. So everything, color scheme, everything is decided here by an architect. All the work is done, like structure work, it is done as per structure engineer recommendation, and all color scheme and decor work, it is done as per architect recommendation. And from here you can check this wood work. Most of the wood is imported from Dubai. Almost all of the wood which are used in Asia Builders project, it is imported from Dubai. Also the breakers, electrical material and sanitary material, most of it we imported from Dubai. Like Asia Builders, they also have one cargo company, so it is easy for them to import these material. Here you can see wiring of these switches of matrix and along with dimmer. So all of the cable used here, these are fast cables. Fast cables are quality cable in the market. And switches here it is matrix, but sometimes we use TJ company also. Here we are on roof floor. So here you can see this can be used as servant quarter also. There is one room with attached bath. In fact, two rooms with attached bath. Workers are sleeping there, so it's not good to go there. location. This is a well developed area, everything is available here. You can see in the street almost all of the houses are built, and there at the end there is one park, but this one is in construction now. Otherwise here they are also building this house, and here you can see all houses are built, road is carpeted, and here they have also started another house. Here again we are on first floor. I just forgot to show you the ceiling work. Ceiling work is completed, cable already being laid, cable pulling work is done. So completion of this house, it will take almost 1 month and 10 to 15 days. And up to Eid, this one is good design of ceiling. Up to Eid, inshallah, this house will be handed over. And now about floor plan. This house, now we are in first floor. So this one is staircase. From staircase we enter this hall or TV lounge, you can say, and alongside with the TV lounge, this one is drawing room. Here it is closed kitchen. Here one bedroom, second bedroom, both bedrooms are with attached bath. Dressing area is there, you can see from here. Same ground floor is same typical, and basement. On rooftop there is one servant quarter with 2 rooms and 1 washroom. So this house will be completed in 1.5 months, and this house is for sale. Anyone want to buy this one, they can contact on the numbers given with this video. Thank you.